It's so annoying when you see people update their WhatsApp status with plenty pictures and videos, something like this, and then they expect people to watch or view all the status. This video, I'll teach you how to bind your pictures into one slide and post on your WhatsApp status to minimize the number of slides you post or you update daily on your WhatsApp status, just like this. You see? If you watch this video to the end and you learn something new, let me know in the comment section. Like this video so that it will motivate me to give you more amazing videos like this. Now let's get started. So first of all, you are going to launch your WhatsApp. After launching your WhatsApp, then you click on update. After clicking on update, you now do like you are going to update your WhatsApp status. So you click on the camera here. After clicking on it, you will see layout. Then you click on the layout. After clicking on the layout, it will redirect you again to your gallery. I want you to like this video, leave a comment in the comment section if you are learning something new from this channel. So after clicking on the layout, you are now going to select the pictures you want to merge. So I'm going to select this. I'll select this. So you can select up to 6 pictures. So I'm going to select So I've selected 5, I've selected 6, then you mark, you check. So you see 6 pictures have been merged as one. So the first picture, I have PINDUODUO Masterclass. If you want to learn how to import from China using the PINDUODUO app, you can get it from me. Then the second picture I have is the 1688. If you want to learn how to import from China using 1688, you can learn from me. Then we have the 15 side hustle. If you want to learn 15 side hustles that will put food on your table, you can learn that also from me. Then we have Shane Bill, how to buy Shane from outside. We also have phone and gadgets. If you want to buy affordable phones, you can learn from me. So okay, so after merging all your pictures, you just click on done. So you see done here. So you click on done. So you can see, then if you want to add something, then you can add your caption, DM to learn. Okay, so then you send. After sending, you will see your status. So you can see 6 pictures have been merged as one. So you can see. So I want you to try this. After trying, then come back in the comment section. Let me know if you have tried this. If you are new to this channel, I want you to subscribe. Click the subscribe button to become part of us. Like this video, leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know if you have followed up to this part.